Hello, welcome to our class. All students and viewers. Today's subject is about hatred and suspicion. मैंने हिंदी में शक और hatred, नफरत. Why do we hate other people? Why do we suspect others? These are main important things to note down. I hate someone because we don't know much about that person. When you come to know about his personal, about his background, gentleness, good behavior, mannerism, social work, his good attitude, then we start loving him. In the initial stage, the psychological effect, we start hating a person. You might have seen when you introduce other person, the first day we are not so interested in that person by introducing shake hand and all. Then another 3-4 days when we meet that person, our expression different, aversion, something not attract that person because I don't know or you don't know anything about that person. He's quite fresh in front of us. We try to know more about him, we start loving him. So automatically he will become part of our good friends. Similarly, suspicion, doubt or shak. Suppose a couple, husband keep suspect on his wife, and wife is keeping suspecting the husband. They can't lead a happy life. That's very dangerous, it's poisonous. शक नहीं होना चाहिए शादी के बाद औरत मर्द बीच में. The moment you start hating or suspecting your wife or husband, he can't build up a good family life. That is shaking the foundation of the beginning of life. The husband who doubt his wife and wife who start suspecting her husband, they can't build up a good relationship. So that is ultimately something dark fall in our heart and brain about that person. Come to terms with, approach with a broad-minded. No. Hate begets hate. Love begets love. If you respect others, you shall be respected. If you respect other person, the same way, ultimately that person respects you. If you hate that person, automatically you can expect no any miracles, only hatred. Love begets love, money begets money. Hatred begets hatred only. No onion sweet. So always try to understand the people because most of the time we fail to understand, we fail to study about the person. We misunderstood some person through some illegal versions from other person. Somebody says that person is not good, this person not good, he is very dangerous. So we blindly believe these rumors about that person. He may be a gentleman, she may be a good lady, but they are making some rumors about that person. Especially during marriage proposal, they are making bad news about that girl, bad news about that boy, the family ground. Actually that boy and girl belong to a good family. But this type of people, they are very dangerous in the community. Their main aim to destroy others and they are sadists, they enjoy in clapping the hand. They take some pleasure in that. This also very negative attitude people's. When God created man, our brain filled with so many good qualities, kindness, goodness, love, respect, then mercy, so many good qualities. But all these are evaporated. Now only we are like a dead man walking. Nothing in our brain, only selfish mentality. How to cheat others, how to hate others, how to suspect others, how to make bad news or rumors. These are the qualities filled our brain. When God created our brain filled with good things, now it is completely eradicated from our brain and thoughts. Instead of that, completely filled with the negative thoughts, about neighbors, about others. These qualities, if you keep in your brain, nothing can be achieved in this world. This should be pure and neat. This is the temple. This is the church. Keep this church or temple clean and neat 24 hours. God visit this temple without bell. So always try to think well before you make any bad news about a person, before you hate a person, see the quality of that person. Come to terms, give a warm welcome to that person, try to know more about that person's life. He may be a gentleman, he may be highly qualified, but you got some wrong information from somebody. On that basis, you are hating that gentleman. This is not good. Study well and approach him. He may be a good friend for you in future. Nobody is hating you. You are not supposed to hate anybody. Love one another. Love is a small word, but it has contained crores and crores of meaning. Yes, only one being can love each other. We can express our love in different ways by giving gift, by giving sweet, by giving some material something, by words, by messages. All this way we can express our good wishes and love towards fellow human beings, but not hate. Hate, if you hate others, the same token they will hate you. So always remember, only a few hours you are living in this world. Why can't you live with the sweet words? Why can't you love each other? I think loving each other is better than hating others. See the good qualities of a person. That quality is enough. That person. If any person have any drawback, make friendship and teach him and discuss with him about good things, good moral. We must be a good moral support, give others. Physical support is different. Moral support means more important than physical support or financial support. Moral support means kind advice, then when positive thoughts. You can make a person from negative thoughts to positive energies only from kind words. That is enough. Have a nice evening and God bless you all of you.